What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reed Benz, and I'm back with another banger. You feel me? I got a prank for y'all. I'm be going up to random people. I'm acting like I'm sneezing on them. You feel me? I'm use this bottle.
Oh shoot!
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have COVID or anything. Oh. Oh shit! Excuse me. Oh shit! Oh shit!
What is the most disgusting thing?
I truly
Did it
understand.
on purpose?
No, accidents happen, miss. I'm.
On my timing. They say but they never sliding. When they talk about diamond, I need all my money on time. I'ma get it, but I'ma stay locked in. Never quit until I get on top 10. Put my foot in, now they cannot stop it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Reed Benz, and I'm back with another banger. You feel me? Y'all see by the title, the caption, I got a prank for y'all. I'm risking my life, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If you see my last video, we going crazy all year, man. So if you're not in tune, make sure you get in tune. I love all my supporters. Feel me, we outside. But today's video, you see by the caption, I'm be going up to random people. I'm acting like I'm sneezing on them. You feel me? I'm use this bottle and spray them. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, that comment button, and you make sure you subscribe, man. We're on the road to 10K subscribers. Yes, sir. We're going up, man. But look, we're gonna get right into this video. I love all y'all. Hope I make it through the video, but feel me? Let's get it. Back again with another video for me. Let's go. Follow me, y'all. We're just gonna go on the road. Can't wait. Wait, let me introduce you. I got a special guest with me today. My guy.
It's your boy, AJ, so sweet around here.
You feel me? Another video, you feel me? Outside. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Yo, follow me. Pull up. Yeah, spend the W's in the chat. Nah. All right, yeah. Yeah, hello. Nah, I don't got COVID no more. That was a minute ago. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. I ain't mean to do that.
Oh, he just sneezed on you? No, come that.
My bad, bro. My bad. I ain't mean to sneeze. You got hand sanitizer?
He just sneezed on you.
My bad, bro. My bad. Like, you just in the way. I'm walking by like the doors. You feel me? I'm trying to walk. Nah, it's just a prank. Look. I ain't sneeze on you, bro. Look, it's some water. He tight. It's just some water. Look. Who should I do? What you think, y'all? Who's my next victim? Nah, he going inside. Let's go. Let's pull up, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We coming with more bangers all year.
Oh wait,
Dang good. Dang, where everybody at? Where the pros at? John Penn. Right here? All right. We're gonna go around with this guy right here. Shicey mask. How we gonna do this? Now we're going over there. Yeah, I don't got COVID. Oh shit. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. I apologize, bro. Anyway, I can pay you back? You good? Everything good? Everything copacetic? Nah, it's just a video. Look. Yeah, let's pull up. Come on, gang. Oh, my fault, gang. Nah, my fault, Brody. Nah, my fault, gang. My fault, gang. You good? I'm good? Nah, it's just a video, gang. Look, it's water. Agua. 10 for 10, yeah.
You know what? I'm the 1 for 1. Now, that's smart.
Nah, that was bad. You're supposed to say, I'm top 2, but I'm not 2. Oh. Watch your step.
Whoa.
Oh.
oh shoot!
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's by accident. I'm sorry.
I'm okay, but it's
I'm sorry. I don't have COVID or anything. I'm sorry.
But it's just disgusting in general.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Anything?
Okay.
Why you so angry? I'm sorry.
Because you sneeze on me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Why so much attitude? I apologize.
You apologize.
Any way I can make it up?
Make it right.
I'll buy you some cookies.
It's okay.
You sure?
Why you sneeze again?
I'm sorry. It's an accident. Now look, it's just a prank. Look. Yo, we going crazy, y'all. Oh, shit. That was OD? I went too crazy?
Nah.
Pardon me, brother. Thank you. Oh, shit.
You okay? He just sneezed on you.
I got on your jacket, my bad, bro.
His allergies is all over the place.
It's just a little bit for me.
Sorry, his allergies all over the place. Oh my god. Well, you like that? No. What's wrong with you? I'm sorry. In the neck?
Oh, the neck?
It's colder.
I bet. He said, due to the neck, it's more colder.
That's not gonna happen. I promise you. Right here. Hold on. Let me do it.
Oh, shit. Oh, nah, he's wildin'.
I'm sorry.
Yo, nah.
I'm sorry.
Things happen, man. It's all good.
My bad. Oh my god.
Nah, man, it's just a prank. It's just a prank. It's a prank.
See, I don't wild out no more.
Yeah, he looked like he was about to knock you up.
Yes,
He was sizing him up like. Damn, I'm about to sneeze, bro. My nose took. Oh, shit. My bad. I'm sorry, miss. Why you recording me, bro? What the fuck? Yeah, don't record us, bro. You wildin', bro. Stop recording me, bro. Go somewhere. Follow her or something,
Get out
bro.
of here.
Bro, you know him?
No. Excuse me, do you know him? Man, you put a prank on us now?
He getting tight. Who is that? Recording? Shit. Ready? Let's go, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. About to catch another person. Excuse me. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm so sorry.
What is the most disgusting thing?
I truly understand.
On purpose?
No, accidents happen, miss. I'm
Christ,
so.
do you have a freaking napkin?
Oh, a napkin?
Disgusting. I can't believe you did that.
I'm so sorry.
I just cannot believe. Yeah, with the grin on
So
your face.
sorry.
Yeah,
So
right.
sorry. Oh, my bad, bro.
Right. No.
I don't. Excuse me. So you have a
Not
napkin?
like that. I really did. Do you have a napkin or something?
Do you have a napkin?
Nothing. Well, could you go get one?
Could you go get one, sir?
You go that way, I'm gonna go
All right.
that way.
Oh, yeah, right.
No, look, miss. Look, miss. It's just a prank. Look, it's just water. I didn't see you.
They not on my timing. They say but they never sliding. When they talk about diamond, I need all my money on time. I'ma get it, but I'ma stay locked in. Never quit until I get on top 10. Put my foot in, now they cannot stop.